In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply reverse VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever tried to look up a value that sits to the left of your lookup column, you've probably noticed that a standard VLOOKUP won't do it. That's where a reverse VLOOKUP comes in. We'll use VLOOKUP together with the choose function to create a virtual table that flips the columns, so VLOOKUP can return the value you need. Start by opening Excel and navigating to the sheet that contains your data. In this example, imagine you have a list of IDs in column A and names in column B. You want to type a name in a cell and have Excel return the matching ID, even though IDs are to the left of names. Click the cell where you want the result to appear. Begin typing the formula with equals VLOOKUP followed by an opening parenthesis. For the first argument, provide the lookup value. If your search cell is E2, type E2, then a comma. This tells Excel which name you're searching for. Next, we'll build the table array using choose. Type choose, open parenthesis, then the array constant curly braces 1, 2, and a closing brace followed by a comma. That little one talciens creates two virtual columns in the order we specify next. Now, select the column that contains the names, which will act as the first column of our virtual table. For example, highlight B2 through B10, type a comma, then select the column that contains the IDs, for example, A2 through A10. This pairs each name with its corresponding ID but flips the order so names come first and IDs second. Close the choose function with a closing parenthesis. At this point, you've built a temporary two-column table where the left column is names and the right column is IDs, even though on your sheet IDs are actually to the left. Finish the VLOOKUP by typing a comma, then the number 2, another comma, and the word false, followed by a closing parenthesis. The 2 tells Excel to return the value from the second column of the virtual table, which is the IDs. False requests an exact match, which is typically what you want when matching names or identifiers. Press enter and you should see the correct ID for the name in E2. If you plan to copy the formula down, consider locking your ranges with $signs so they don't shift as you fill. Also, ensure your name entries match exactly. Extra spaces or different capitalization can cause no match results. That's it. You've just performed a reverse VLOOKUP by combining VLOOKUP with choose to virtually reorder your columns and return the value you need.